Hey, what's up? This is George Shimon. As you saw the title, uh, I am in a process of adding my CV to my website. It's something new I'm thinking about, and I want to help other people do it. Since I'm getting into web development, and I'm looking for content for my website, and I've been postponing working on it, and I hesitated. So then I figured, let me add some content I already have, and so my CV came to my mind. Maybe I can add it to the website. So because every one of us have some kind of portfolio and career, and you have skills, background, education. Uh, and if you have done any work, you may have a CV or resume, they call them sometimes interchangeably. And you might, I'm sure you've added it to LinkedIn and added your information to social media like Instagram, YouTube, and other social media platforms. But recently, I've been thinking to add the CV to a website. This way, you have your own website. Nobody will be competing with you. Because on your website you're the only one, uh, and obviously your website you're not gonna have a traffic coming to your website without doing any work. You have to promote it and you have to create content and direct people to it because now there are millions or billions of websites, so and there's a lot of competition. So in order to be us, we don't have any clout. We're not very famous. So you have to make content, create content, and talk to people. Get on a on a camera like this one, and introduce yourself, and it's not easy. It's nerve wracking. When I start doing it, it's very scary. When I looked at this camera and start talking, I felt so weird and so nervous, and but I kept at it. I have about 300 videos on YouTube, over 300 videos, so I got used to it. Still, I'm not a good speaker. I'm not a good presenter, but I'll do my best. But the main thing is not to be afraid. This is the main element that you have to overcome. The being afraid. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, and give me your opinion. What you think about adding a CV to a website? Make it like if you have a CV or resume, or even if you have a portfolio, you have done work like on projects, and you want to add it to a website. This way, you'll have a portfolio website. That's a portfolio website. But if you haven't done any, side work projects, and you have some education, you have your own job, and your own background and skills, you can add that to your CV. To the resume. They call them CV and resume interchangeably. I don't know why they call them that. But you know what I'm saying. So yeah. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you're interested in learning more about making your CV on a website, let me know if you have any questions. And let me know if can you hear me. I don't know if you can hear me because I am in my car. I have a different setup now, so let me know if you can hear me well, because I don't know if because I have my car running now. I have the radio on, but I and the Bluetooth. So I hope my Bluetooth is not being transferred to my dashboard. Let me know if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Just say yes, I can hear you in a comment box, or I can see you something. This way I know that somebody is listening, or because sometimes it's very hard to get feedbacks, my own feedbacks. Michael Soman, you knew, yes, first, yeah, thank you. Welcome back. I think I've seen you guys here before. Thank you so much for coming back. Yeah, so can you hear me well? You can hear me and you can see me, right? So yeah, okay. So we're talking about making your moving your CV or your resume to a website. You know, you're having like right now I have my own website, and I keep postponing adding content to it and completing it. And recently, okay, good. I'm glad. Thank you. Thanks for the feedback. Uh, where are you from? Pujay Gupta. I'm coming to you live from the United States. And so it's good idea to have because your CV and resume or projects, you have the content, you know what to say, you know. So you just add them to your website, and you know what I'm thinking now because I already have a template on my website. I added a template, and then what's difficult when you have a template because the template will have certain forms, certain pictures, certain text in a certain way arranged on a page on a website, and then you have to fit your content in it. Then you don't know where to add your content, what to do. It's very difficult, you know. So what I'm thinking now, I already have my CV and my experience, my background, and you may have it too. I just add the content to the website. You know, that's all what I have to do. You know, and it doesn't have to be that neat and organized as long as it's readable. Somebody can look at it and read it. It's well organized, and people can read it. It's not that difficult. You know, that's the main thing. You know, so this is what I'm thinking. Let me know if it's a good idea because. Uh, So yeah, let me know what do you think if that's a good idea or not. Having your resume, let's call it a resume website for easier explanation. You know, just because you have a resume instead of grabbing it by your hard copy like paper or sending it by email. I mean, you can still do that. You can send it by email. You can print it out, but it's a good idea to have it on a website, and then you can give it to somebody if somebody wanna talk to you about it. You know, you can give them the URL so they just enter the URL, the website URL, and then they just go there and see your resume. This way, you don't even have to send them email. You don't even have to give them a hard copy or send it by, you know. So that's a good question. Are you are you driving home or just a job break? Job break. Yes, I am on lunch right now. Yes, yeah. So I'll go out of the office. Sometimes I go around for a ride. Sometimes I sit in my car. But if I want to do this presentation, I'll be sitting in my car. I'm not driving now. You know, it will be a lot of distraction driving and making this live. You know, it's not recommended. So. Where are you guys tuning in from? Are you from the U.S. or overseas? Where are you tuning in from? Let me know. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions or any idea about what to add to your website, whether it's a good idea or not to add your CV to the website. Let me know what you think, you know. And yeah, let me know what do you think because I think it's a good idea because the content it's very important when you have a website and you wanna complete the website after designing. It's very important to have content. You know, if you don't have a content to add to your website, it doesn't make sense. You know. So yeah, yeah. Let me know if you have any questions or any topics you wanna discuss about making your website or yeah. Let me know what you think. I want to welcome you to this live stream. Thank you so much for joining. My name is George Shamon, and I have this YouTube channel, Web Page Coding. And let me know if you haven't subscribed yet. I think most of you on this live stream are subscribers to my channel. You know, if you have not subscribed yet, you know, I urge you to subscribe because you'll be helping me to make my channel grow, and then in return I will be helping you. I will add content like this, and I will answer questions from Portugal. Okay, welcome. Portugal. I have to go now. Good luck. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk later. Have a great day too, Uniwa. Thank you so much for joining. Anyone else have any questions or comments or any idea about having a website and adding your CV to it? Let me know. What do you think? So yeah, let me see if somebody. Anyone else? Any questions? Any comments? Any topics? I can answer you right now on this live stream. If yeah, we're talking about making a website and adding your CV to it. Like your resume or your background or skills. And if you have projects, you do side work projects, you can add that. It becomes a portfolio website. But so you can add either your portfolio, your projects, or you can add your resume, like it shows your experience. And since I'm getting into web development, I'm trying to do that. This is one of the ideas that came to my mind a few days because I was having problems finding content to the website. So this is what I'm thinking now. So yeah, anyone else? Questions, comments? Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I want to thank you so much for tuning in on this live stream. I am your host, George Shamoun. And if you will be on a future replay, you can still submit questions. Let me know if you have any questions. So, anyone else? Questions, comments? Anyone else? Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Do you have any questions? Let me know. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So, and let me know what you think. Questions about making a website, what to add to it, and how to start. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for tuning in. Any questions, comments? Let me know. All right, I guess we're gonna have to end this live because nobody is responding and there's no audience. So I will see you in the next video. Maybe I'll make another one tonight or tomorrow. So if you have any questions, submit it now. I'm gonna end the chat in 1 minute. So let me know if you have any questions or because I'll be making more later on tonight or tomorrow. So submit your questions and let me know what you think. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates. And hit the notification button so they'll not notify you. Once I have a video. Thank you.